Hey guys, how's it going? It's OSCO here, back with another video. I'm going to be breaking down Kahn's track Over to So, as requested by someone on Facebook. So I'm going to be doing more of the track breakdowns and trying to recreate them and show you how to make the main sounds in each track. And yeah, I'm just going to jump into the video and show you what I've got so far. So yeah, this is one of my favourite tracks of probably all time, in terms of deep dubstep. It just hits the nail on the head with that minimal aesthetic, and everyone knows Kahn, an absolute don in terms of this sort of music and in grime in general. So yeah, I'm just going to break down how I made this bass. I'll break down both these basses actually, so because there's a little mid bass here that I made using operator and it sounds pretty close, but I'm just going to go over the basic patch and sublab. Now I was going to make this in operator, but because this video is dedicated to the sublab giveaway, I thought I'd do it in this. So I'm just going to make this real big so you guys can see it. So this synth is broken down into a few different things. So you've got the synth layer, you've got the sample layer, and you've got a subharmonic generator. So I'm just using the synth. It's and you can select your waves down here. So I've selected the square wave. I've put a low pass filter on at 48 Hz with a resonance of 36%. And within the synth, there's all these different envelopes here. So you've got your volume envelope, your filter envelope, and your pitch envelope. I've turned off the filter envelope, so the percentage is down all the way. The volume envelope is affecting the signal by 58%. I've got about 20 milliseconds of attack. The sustain is brought down so that the punch of the sound doesn't come from how short the attack is. It comes from it's a relatively tight attack, but it drops, so when it hits, it goes down in volume as it's sustained and ringing out. And I've got about a second's worth of release on there as well. So if I hit a key on here, you can see the little dot that follows on the envelope. It goes up, then down, and then is held at a lower volume than the punch. And then the pitch bend as well, that's really tight, so that's as tight as it can go with the attack. The decay is coming down pretty quick at the peak of the volume envelope, so at about 80 milliseconds. And it's only affecting it by 20 odd percent, because if I go all the way, you lose that punch. But if you have none, it's just like a static sub, where if you give it a tiny little bit, just sits there nicely. And I think Kahn chose a square and low passed it in this rather than going for a sine or a triangle, because he does all of his sounds, not all of them, but most of his sounds are made using square waves, whether they're detuned or not detuned. I think he just likes the sound of squares. And then that's running into the distortion unit within here. I put the drive to 100% on. It's 100% affecting the mix on the synth layer. The drive is all the way up. Fatness is at, I do not know what fatness means. Adds dissonant high frequency harmonics to crunch and brighten the sound. But it doesn't matter because I've got a high cut on there that's going to 100 anyway, so I guess the fatness isn't playing. Yeah, it's not making any difference, so ignore that. And the gain's at 0 dB. It's a dark drive as well. So the equivalent to this would be adding a distortion, then making a bandpass layer in EQ8. And it's just compressed a little bit. yeah, it's hardly compressing at all actually, but it's there. It's just there to raise the volume. I've got it like boosting by 5 dB because it's coming out really quiet. I've had to boost it in the EQ as well when I've come out of here by like 10 dB because it's just such a quiet synth. So yeah, I did have a subharmonic generator on here as well, which gives it a little bit more punch, but the original track didn't have that. So I think that's it for the sub bass. I will recreate an operator if you guys really want me to, but I'll be posting that on my Facebook or something like that to just clean up things. Because, no, yeah, it'll be on my Facebook. And then for this bass, if I take off the effects, it's quite a harsh sound, but all it is the same way you'd make a Reese bass. It's just a square and another square set to parallel mode so that it's not FMing, and then one square is slightly detuned by 10 on the fine. So if I take that out, that's a square. Wait, let me turn off the reverb. So that's a square wave, and then I increase the volume of the next one, and then detune it. So I bring that back to 10, and then sorry, if I turn the pitch in, and that's what you'd be getting. I added a pitch envelope, so there's a bit of a punch there, and then I've added a filter envelope as well. The pitch envelope's not doing anything, the decay is just 174 on there. And the frequency envelope, I've added 80 milliseconds of attack, and that's pretty much it. I think everything else is standard. So you get that sweeping effect with the filter going up. There's no resonance on there, and the filter's all the way down, so it sweeps up. So when it's held, the filter opens. Then I've bandpassed it to take out all the mids and the highs to keep it in the frequency range I thought it was sitting in the track. And then added a reverb and then sent another reverb to get 2 different flavors. So if we go back and play that. I think maybe if you wanted it to sound more true to the original sound as well, you might want to add a bit of attack on there. That, like Kahn in this track, to get a lot of the atmosphere and stuff, he's using lots of breaths, like reversed breaths and delayed reversed breaths and white noise effects and stuff, which I've tried to add in, but obviously I'm not going to go into the level of detail that he has because I had to make a video today and didn't have time to pick about all the sounds and stuff. This is a low note of a choir, and then the string. Yeah, I love this track. Anyways, if you've got any more bits of music that you want me to recreate and show you how to make, let me know. If I don't go into enough detail in this video, also let me know in the comments. I can jump back into this and re-upload it at a later date. And yeah, feel free to comment, like, subscribe. I'm going to be doing another giveaway when I hit 300 subscribers. It might be another version of Sublab or something else that I found. If there's any deals on Reverb or something, I could, not Reverb, what's the website? Plugin Boutique. If there's anything going on there, then I'll see if I can get that for you guys. So yeah, peace. Hey guys, how's it going? I'm going to be doing the giveaway for the video. So I'm just going to check how many comments there are. This is 27. I think there's 20 individual comments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I'm just going to generate a random number now and choose out of one of the 20. So number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Alex Corbicio, I don't know how to say your surname, but Alex, you've got a copy of Sublab, and number 15. So 5 from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. David GR Textera. TX area. Yeah, don't know. But yeah, you two both get a copy of Sublab, so I'll be reaching out to you guys via email and with your download codes. So yeah, congrats guys.